Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. A couple of months before Christmas, I usually begin planning my menu. From there, I start making a few recipes ahead of time so I don't overcrowd my schedule. I make my croton, tourtière, even my ragout. When it comes to desserts, there's one that tastes much better when it's made in advance. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my fruitcake. It's actually one of my favorite desserts during the holidays. With a beautiful mixture of dry fruits along with candied fruits and a little bit of rum, this is a delicious traditional sweet treat to serve. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll start with the fruits. In a large mixing bowl, we'll add chopped dates, dried raisins, dried cranberries, as well as dried blueberries and dried apricots. We'll also add a mix of candied citrus peels, some mixed glazed cherries, and a tablespoon of orange zest. We'll give a very good stir so the ingredients are well combined before adding dark rum, and a lot of it. Then freshly squeezed orange juice and pineapple juice. We'll stir again and see, there's a lot of liquid, but it's okay because the fruits will absorb most of it. And we'll make sure that they are well coated so they macerate properly. Oh my, it smells amazing and quite boozy. Love it. Now we'll cover and let them macerate for 12 hours, stirring often during that time so the fruits can soak up the liquid. Next, we'll look after the nuts. In a small skillet over medium heat, we'll add pecans and toast them for only 2 to 3 minutes, enough to intensify the nutty flavor, making them crunchier. And we'll do the same with the walnuts. We'll transfer both into a bowl to cool off. About 5 minutes later, we'll dump them on a cutting board and chop them. See, they will be added to the dough. So we want to chop them fine, but not too much because it's nice to have some texture. Something similar to this. And we'll set aside. Now, let's prep our 10-inch springform pan. We'll line it with parchment paper, making sure it sits at the bottom tightly, and cover the sides as well. One sheet won't be enough, therefore we'll have to add another one. We'll lightly spray the paper with cooking spray and set aside. Alright, let's start to make the dough. In a large bowl, we'll combine all-purpose flour and almond flour with baking powder, baking soda, and ground sea salt. Then we'll add allspice, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, and ground nutmeg. We'll whisk the ingredients very well until nicely blended and set aside. Next step, in a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add brown sugar and a couple sticks of butter. With the paddle attachment on, we'll process on medium speed until the mixture is creamy. We'll add 1 egg at a time and mix well between each addition. We'll add some pure vanilla extract and mix again before adding half of the flour mixture. And process, but this time on low speed, unless you want everything within 2 feet to turn white. Alright, after this is done, we'll add half of the fruit mixture and also half of the chopped nuts. Still on speed 1, we'll mix until the ingredients are blended, about 30 seconds. Then we'll add the remaining flour mixture and process again until just incorporated. After that, we'll add the rest of the fruits, including the juice, as well as the rest of the nuts. We'll process for the last time until everything is well mixed, but don't overdo it. a minute at the most, okay? Next, we'll pour the batter into the prepared pan and level it out using a spatula. What I like to do is finish with an angled spatula. It makes the top look neater. Now, when it comes to decorating, it's totally up to you. This is how I do it. I go around the outside edge and place glazed cherries, alternating the colors. Then I place pecan halves in another circle inside the first one, just like this. And finish off with more cherries in the center. See, it's so cute. Alright, on the lower rack, we'll place a pan filled halfway with hot water on a baking sheet, so it's easier to transfer to the oven. This will create some moisture, preventing the cake from cracking. We'll place the cake on a rack above and bake for 3 hours in a 250-degree preheated oven. When time is up, we'll carefully remove from the heat and make sure it's nicely baked by inserting a cake tester in the center. If it comes out clean, the cake is done. We'll transfer to a wire rack to cool off completely before taking the form off the cake and peeling off the paper. We'll now place the cake on a couple pieces of plastic film and wrap it nice and tight. Add another piece if you have to. We'll do the same with foil. That way, we can store the cake for a few months without it drying out. I also like to place it in a cake tin to protect it even more. From here, we'll store the fruit cake in a cool, dark place until ready to serve. If you'd like to increase the flavor even more before the holidays, please read the blog. And my friends, this is our holiday fruit cake. Christmas just isn't right without this traditional dessert. It's a delicious combination of fruits, spices, and special ingredients. Don't kill yourself. This is not your grandma's recipe. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!